First, let's get rid of the pattern outline. I used a heat erasable pen to transfer the embroidery outline, so I'm using an iron to hover on top of the fabric. The heat from the iron will make the transfer lines disappear. Before backing the hoop, make sure that the fabric is tight. Tighten the fabric by pulling it and tightening the screw. Now trim the excess fabric, leaving a margin of around 3 cm, 1 inch. I'm using pinking shears, but you can also use regular scissors. Take a thread that's longer than the circumference of the hoop. I'm using 3 strands. Make a knot at the end. Starting from the back side of the fabric, make a running stitch along the fabric margin. You can do 1 or 2 stitches at a time, and they don't have to be perfect. Continue doing the running stitch around the back side of the fabric. Once you've finished doing the running stitch around the hoop, take the end of the thread and gently pull. The excess fabric will be pulled inwards. Secure the ends of the thread by making a knot. Use the needle to push the knot towards the fabric and trim the thread. This is how the hoop looks like after backing. If the fabric is stiff and sticks out at the back of the hoop, you can put a couple of heavy books on top of the hoop to flatten the fabric.